Welcome to today's class on the topic fractions. We want to see how to solve this problem we have on fraction. As you can see this question, you will notice that it has many operations. The operations we talk about are addition, of, plus, minus, and times. So because of that, it is advisable not to use calculator to solve it. Yes, because calculator is not programmed so as to solve fractions with many operations. Okay? So if one is to solve it, it can use PEMDAS method, PEMDAS principle, or BODMAS principle to solve it. So one can use PEMDAS principle or BODMAS principle to solve it. But in this video, we want to see how to use BODMAS to solve this problem on fractions. So, BODMAS principle. What is the meaning of BODMAS? In this, B means bracket, O means order. And when you see O, that is order, it means you are talking about of. D means division. M means multiplication. A means addition. And S means subtraction. So that is the meaning of the word BODMAS. From the word BODMAS, this is the sequential way, this is the order in which you use to what? Solve the problem of fraction. How do I mean? Ask yourself, since in the word BODMAS you have brackets, do we have bracket here? Yes. It means solve this bracket first. So, I will be solving the bracket. I will now say 2 over 3 plus, convert this to improper fraction. This is a mixed number or a mixed fraction. So, convert it to improper fraction. 3 times is 12 plus 1, 13 over what? 3. So, I have to simplify the addition of the two numbers. Now, what is the LCM? Whenever you see two fractions having plus in between them, or minus in between, or even plus and minus, it is a must that you look for the LCM of the denominator. Whenever two fractions has plus or minus or both in between them, you must look for LCM of the word denominator. The LCM of 3 and 3 is 3. 3 divided 3, 1. 1 times 2, 2. Plus 3 divided 3, 1. 1 times 13, 13. That will be giving me 2 plus 13, 15 over 3. That implies that, what should I have? I remove this and put 15 over 3. That will be, start from the beginning, 3 whole number 5 over 8. Divided by 4 over 5 of, remove this and put what? 15 over 8, then minus 1 over 6 times 4 over 9. I'm done with bracket. I will go to the next one, order, which is of. Do I have of here? I will say yes. I will bracket it. These are two fractions that of is in between them. That means I'm to solve of. I will say 4 over 5. 4 over 5 of 15 over 8. Now, in mathematics, when you hear of or when you see of means times. That means 4 over 5 times 15 over 8. 4 here, 1, 4 here, 2. 5 here 1, 5 here 3. That will be giving me 3/2. That implies that I have gotten 3/2 to be the answer to 4/5 times 15/8, because we say of means times. Now I will rewrite 5/8 divided by what? Divided by, I remove this and put what? 3/2 minus 1/6 times 4/9. So I am done with this also. I look, I've done bracket, I've done off or order. I'll go for division. Do I have division sign here? Yes. I will bracket these two. When I bracket it, 3 times this is 24 plus 5, 29. I will write 29/8 divided by 3/2. Now, in mathematics, it is known that when you see division, you don't solve with division just like that. What you do is that you change the division to times. Because you change division to times, you have to invert the second fraction. Inverting 3/2, it becomes 2/3. Then we have here to be 29/8. So we now say 2 here 1, 2 into 8, 4. 29 times 1, 29, all over 4 times 3, 12. That will become, I will remove this and put what? 29/12 minus 1/6 times 4/9. I am done with division. Next, I'll go for multiplication. I have multiplication. I'll bracket. I will say, let me simplify multiplication on 1/6 times 4/9. 2 here 2, 2 here 3. That will be giving me 2/20 what? 7. Because 2 times 1 is 2, 3 times 9 is 27. I will remove. I will say it implies 29/12 minus 2/27. This is the last option. That means addition wasn't given for us to solve, but we now jump it and go to subtraction because that is the last part of it. Now, I said before, now when you see two fractions having plus or minus in between them, what you do is look for the LCM of the what? Denominators. Now, I look for the LCM of the denominator. I will have 12,27, 2 here, 6, 27, 2 here, 3, 27, 3 here, 1, 9, 3 here, 1, 3, and 3 here, 1, 1. So 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 3, 12, 12 times 3, 36, 36 times 3. That should be, I will be having 108. I'll write 108. I will now ask myself, 12 divide 108. That should be giving me 9. 9 times 29. 29 times 9 is 9 times 9 is 1, right 1, carry 8. 9 times 2, 18 plus 8, 20 what? 6. So I'll write 261 minus 27 divide 108. 27 divide 108 will be giving us what? 3 here, 9, 3 here, 36, 3 here, 3, 3 here, 12, 3 here, 1, 3 here, 4. That should be giving us 4, 4. 4 times 2, 8. Now, 261 minus 8. 261 minus 8, that should be giving us 261 minus 8, 11, 3, 253. So we'll be having it to be 253 over 108. You check, can 2 divide up? No. Can 2 divide down? Yes. But since you cannot divide up and down, I can't use 2 to divide. Can 3 divide up? 3 divide 25, 8 into 30, no. Can 2 divide down? Yes. But because you can't divide up and down, I leave. So this will be the final answer to my equation. That means I will say this is equivalent to 253 over 108. Yes. That is an improper word, fraction. The answer is improper fraction. Then if you want to have it in a mixed number or mixed fraction, you say 253 all over 108. 108 times 2 will be giving me what? 16. 216. 253 minus 216 will be giving me what? Because 216 is close to 253, I will just subtract. That will be giving me 7. Carry 1 here. 13 minus 6, 7. 4 minus 6, 3. So that will be giving us all equals to 2 whole number 37 over 108. That means we got it by saying this times to 216. Since 216 is close to 253, I will know that this is the least it can get. Then I will now say 253 minus 216. That will be giving me 737. So once I do it this way, I've gotten it to be 253 over 108 or equals to 2 whole number 37 over 108. Remember, we said this minus this 253 over 108. So that is how to solve this problem on fraction. Thank you so much for watching today's video.